But shifting our focus now to India, India has once again assured of sufficient supply of fuel and gas to households. The country has also announced measures to crack down on hoarding and black marketing activities. At a briefing on Friday, senior officials from the Ministries of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ports, Shipping and Waterways, External Affairs as well as Information and Broadcasting shared some key updates. The officials said that all refineries were working on the highest capacity and assured that there were no dry outs at retail outlets. They assured of sufficient supplies despite concerns about LPG situation due to the ongoing Iran war. They advised entities to prioritize PNG connections for commercial establishments. In fact, they also said that almost 93% bookings are now being done online and there was a reduction in panic bookings. The officials said that over 4,500 raids conducted across India to prevent hoarding and black marketing have been done.
LPG से PNG पर shift हुए हैं.
LPG is still a cause of concern amid war, but our distributors have not reported any dryouts at retail outlets. Almost 93% of booking is online. Delivery authentication is being used for delivery. There has been a reduction in panic booking as well as we received 550,000 in refill requests. LPG deliveries remain normal.
India faces a significant energy security risk from the ongoing crisis in West Asia. The country has hiked the price of premium petrol. The rate has now been revised to 113.77 rupees per litre, which is a hike of 2.35 rupees on the premium petrol price effective 20th of March. But the price of regular petrol and diesel remain unchanged at the moment. The government previously had pushed for premium petrol sales as a climate benefit, but the war has pushed refineries to increase the pump prices of premium fuel. Refiners cited a surge in international crude prices and higher residual waste in refining premium petrol for the hike. For now, the immediate impact of this Iran war is on prices. Benchmark Brent crude crossed $110 per barrel. That is roughly about 40% more since the Iran crisis. For India, higher prices mean higher import bill. A higher global rate would mean Indian refiners will bear the difference in cost or pass it on to the consumers. Now, despite fluctuations in the global crude oil markets, petrol and diesel prices in India have largely remained stable in the recent years. Retail fuel prices have seen minimal changes since May of 2022. Back then, remember, the central government in several states had reduced excise duty and value-added tax on fuel. For now, reports suggest that the Indian government has assured that there will be no change at the pumps. And the reason for India's assurance for no change in the price is the government's calibrated approach in the recent years. Oil marketing companies were allowed to improve their margins when international crude prices were low. This was done to aid refiners in keeping the prices stable during a crisis and shielding consumers. But the real question is, for how long can India hold off before hiking fuel prices at the pumps?